Clean this. This is just WD-40. This is just a piece of paper towel. Now look at these headlights. All right, hold on. See how foggy these things are? The light really doesn't do it justice, okay? Because this is in the afternoon, so the light's a little lower, but look at that. So I just got done doing the other headlight, which turned out amazing. Now I'm gonna do this headlight. I just showed it to you. Now I'm gonna spray this on it. But I'm gonna do it on a towel first, because it's WD-40. It's got a little solventness in it. All right, here we go. All right, I'm gonna start right here. Whoa! All right, look at that, look at that. This is where I wiped it. That's what was there. That is wild. Absolutely wild. I never thought this would work. Whoa! It does work. Just gotta scrub it a little bit on some of this.